Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to this month's Essential Rewards unboxing. I feel like this might be a little janky. I've got my camera like balanced on a table, but then again, if you watch my day in my life videos, you've probably figured out that I balance my camera on all kinds of things. So I just kind of set it up and figured that this would work just fine. So if you don't know what Essential Rewards is, I have been doing these unboxings every month for like the last year and a half. I don't have all of them up anymore because the products that I'm going to be showing you are natural health and wellness products, and I unintentionally made like claims about the products, so a lot of them are not up anymore, but I think I have the last like 4 months worth of hauls up on my channel. So if you like watching these videos, you can go check those out. And basically what Essential Rewards is kind of like a loyalty program. Hey Dan, bye Dan. And it's basically a way to get the products from Young Living that you use regularly delivered to your doorstep every month. And by signing on to this loyalty program, they basically give you rewards. That's why it's called Essential Rewards. And you get rewards in 2 different ways. One, you receive points for being on this program, and those points can be redeemed like cash on the website. And then also, by purchasing through the rewards program, by having this shipment every month, you get free products. And those free products that they just give out, they call them, what do they call them? Oh, they call them promos. Those change every month. And this month's promos, which you should still have time if you end up wanting to sign up to qualify for this month's promos. I wanted to get this video up earlier for you guys, but I didn't. I had a lot go on in the last month. You know that if you follow me, or I was gonna say on Instagram, but even on here I've talked about it. It's just been a crazy month. So I'm gonna go ahead and just unbox this and share with you everything that I got. And yeah, I'm very excited about the promos this month. And I'm also just very excited about my order this month. This whole shipment just, I'm excited. Whew, I just decided I needed to turn off that fireplace. I was being a poser. It's really not that cold in here. The fireplace was making me hot. So, all right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into this. So, first up, I order these basically every month because I am so obsessed. It's actually, I'd say, my favorite oil blend that Young Living makes potentially, and that is the blend called Valor. You hear me talk about this month after month, and so like I said, pretty much every month I order 2 bottles to refuel or refill my stash. I love diffusing Valor. I love wearing Valor. I love adding Valor even to other mixes, even though Valor is already a mix, and it is a mix of black spruce leaf oil, camphor wood oil, blue tansy, which is one of my favorite single note oils. I figured that out through Valor, frankincense oil, and geranium oil, and it is just so delicious. And when I first got Valor, it's very interesting that I find that oils can work this way. I liked it, I wasn't obsessed with it, and then the longer I had it, I literally started to crave it. Like I grew an obsession towards it. So Valor, you are my bae. Okay, they send you your oils, by the way, in these little like cardboard tube thingamabobbers. Probably should have done this before, but I was trying to see what is in each tube because some of the oils that I got this month are actually for a giveaway that I was running. So I'm trying to I'm kind of seeing as I go, but I ordered 2 bottles of an oil that I love and I haven't ordered in a while, and that is Peace and Calming. And I realized, I was like, wait, every time I go to reach for Peace and Calming, like I don't have it anymore. And so I'm super happy to have this refilled in my stash. And Peace and Calming is a blend that consists of tangerine oil, I love tangerine oil, orange oil, ylang-ylang oil, patchouli, and blue tansy, which I mentioned before. And blue tansy, I said this in last month's haul if you saw that. It's really interesting because I went on a vacation when I was a kid to Monterey with my family, and there was a smell out there that I had never smelled ever again, and it stuck in my memory as one of my favorite smells ever. And I didn't figure out till Young Living that smell was blue tansy, which I guess is like it's a chamomile flower, I think. So really cool that I found the scent because now I can have it all the time. But that is a smell that is in Peace and Calming, and I love it. And it's great for sleep support, for peace, just like the title says. And yeah, it's so good. Oh, so yeah, Thieves was a promo this month, duh, because this month's promos are all Thieves based, which if you watch all of my day in my life videos or my cleaning videos, you might be like, Thieves, I've heard you talk about Thieves, but like the cleaner, and the cleaner is actually based around the essential oil blend that they make. And so I got tons of free Thieves stuff that I'll be showing you in a little bit, and I'm so excited. But also they sent a Thieves oil, so this was totally free as a reward for being on their loyalty program. Yes, yes. So exciting. I got the citrus base, I got orange oil, citrus fresh, which is a blend of, if you've been reading my info boxes lately for my like semi-secret, not so secret giveaways, just for people that like really pay attention to my videos, I've been giving away lots of citrus fresh. And citrus fresh is one of my other favorite blends, and I'll read it to you and you'll be like, oh, that's why it's one of your favorite blends. This has orange peel oil, tangerine oil, grapefruit oil, lemon oil, mandarin oil, and spearmint oil. It's so good. And then I got some tangerine oil. Citrus oils are some of my favorite oils. I feel so basic bay saying that. Like I feel like in the oil community, people that are like really into oils make fun of people that love citrus oils, but I love the citrus oils so much. They're like happy oils and so uplifting, and they make everything smell amazing. And I was actually like excited while placing the order to like refill my citrus stash. Okay, so I got a bottle of lavender oil because lavender is life. Lavender was my gateway oil into all oils because I saw literal miracles take place with lavender that I can't say because we're not allowed to make claims that extreme about oils. But you can find a lot of this stuff online that other people might talk about. But lavender is great for sleep support, for skin support. That's one of my favorite things about lavender. And it's just so calming and soothing, and I love it so much. Then I ordered some lemon oil. I love lemon to diffuse. I like lemon occasionally for skincare, but you have to be really careful with all citrus oils. Do not apply it before going out in the sun or you will literally get a burn. Like my sister burned herself that way. Someone that watches my videos actually burned herself that way. Like it's horrific. So if you ever use any citrus oil on your skin, do not apply it before going out into the sun. It says that on the packaging, but I just wanted to say that because I literally was like horrified when I saw that on my sister and my subscriber. I'm like, no. So yeah, but I love it. And I also love lemon for cleaning. The other day I had some gunk in my bathroom on the edge of like the counter between where like the counter and the mirror and the counter hit. And I haven't been able to get this gunk out. And I was like, oh, I'll use lemon oil. And so I put some lemon oil and let it sit for like 2 minutes, scrubbed right off, like thick gunk. It was crazy. So I love this stuff. And then I believe this was free. Yes, this was a promo. They sent me Orange Vitality, which if you don't know the difference between the regular labels and the Vitality oils, the Vitality oils are labeled for ingestion. So you know when looking at this, you can ingest it. I, around Valentine's Day, made an oils video and I made some orange chocolate covered strawberries and I used my Orange Vitality in that. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It's actually upsetting. Delicious. Okay, so next up, I don't know why it's packaged like this, but okay, I got a bottle of grapefruit oil. Grapefruit, another one of my favorite citrus blends, and I'm so happy that I got this again because I just ran out of my grapefruit oil. Can you guys hear that? There's a lot of like gardening and yeah, so grapefruit oil, I just ran out of my grapefruit oil, so I'm super excited to have that be restocked. I love to diffuse it. I like to put grapefruit vitality oil in clear sparkling water and making my own like grapefruit soda. So good. Okay, let's open up the next tube. Yes. Oh, okay. So this is definitely a promo because I have heard of it, but I don't know if I've ever smelled it. This is Kunzia oil. So this was free. I don't know anything about what Kunzia does, but got that oil for free. And then Northern Lights Black Spruce I ordered, and I love Northern Lights Black Spruce. I've described this as like walking through a forest after it rained. So I love to diffuse this at night after a shower with like some lavender, maybe a little bit of orange or tangerine, and a little bit of blue tansy. And it's like, yeah, it is like walking through a forest after it's rained, and it's so good. Not that I've spent a lot of time in forests after it's rained, but that's what I imagine. And it smells amazing. And the oil is harvested from black spruce trees that grow underneath where the northern lights are in Canada, I guess. And so I don't know, there's some kind of belief around what that does like energetically to the trees, but all I know is it smells amazing and my mind and my body love it. Oh, you know what? That's what's going on. I have multiple bottles of grapefruit because it's grapefruit oils that I have been giving away recently. So I have multiple bottles of grapefruit, but this is not technically part of my ER haul because I'm not keeping them. They're giveaways for different people that are in my little community. So by the way, I didn't open this up at the top of the video, and then I'm gonna go into my favorite promos of the whole thing. But if you're ever interested in essential rewards or any just essential oils or Thieves cleaning products or any of it, feel free to send me a DM on my oils Instagram account. I am a distributor for Young Living because after buying their products for a year, I realized, okay, I love them so much. I'm just gonna like sign up and have my own little community and links and team and all of that. So if you want any information, just feel free to send me a message there. Okay, so the best promos of all. This is like the promo month I think everybody waits for the whole year because it's so good. People ask me a lot where I got my Thieves glass cleaning bottle that says Thieves on it, and it was during this promo month last year. So they didn't send that again, but I just got all the free Thieves. So first off, I'm excited because I'm almost out. I got a bottle of Thieves laundry soap, and I love this stuff. It smells amazing. I love that it is plant-based and I mostly use this, to be honest, on all of my darks, like my pastels and just anything I want to be gentle with. I still use a traditional laundry soap on towels, rugs, sheets, although actually I used these on my sheets the other day, so that's not even true at all, but I still alternate with a traditional laundry soap. But I love this stuff, and just like everything else in my life, I kind of strive for this like balance. You know, I'm not completely dairy free, and people will be like, well, why do you use things like Veganese? I'm like, because I just don't want to have like all of the dairy all of the time. And I'm kind of like that with everything in my life. So yeah, smells amazing, love it. Next up, I got a free bottle of Thieves dish soap, which is also amazing. Now what Dan and I like to do with the Thieves dish soap is we actually water it down because it's not a huge bottle and he likes to use a lot of soap. Today, I think when I water it down, I'm gonna end up adding some baking soda to the mix because I've heard that can make it suds even more. Sometimes with more natural soaps, you don't get as much of a suds, but I've heard the baking soda really suds it up. But yeah, so pretty excited about that. Dan is the one that does the dishes, and I don't even know, that's pretty much it. Then, we got a refill of Thieves house cleaner. You know, if you watch my day of my life or my cleaning videos, I'm obsessed with this cleaner. Plant-based, every single surface, I'm not kidding, toilets, stainless steel, countertops, windows, mirrors, everything. And then you're not breathing in all of those harsh chemicals, which I really like. When I used to use traditional cleaners, I always felt like everything had to be open. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like opening windows when I clean, but I felt like everything had to be open because it was like toxic, and like my skin would feel pruny and my lungs would like burn, and you get none of that with Thieves cleaner. It's amazing. Then, and I'm super excited about this for the produce that I do buy from grocery stores, and that is the Thieves fruit and veggie soak. So it's just a cleaner for your fruits and veggies. And I'm excited to give this a try. So I've gotten this before and I haven't used it yet. So if you're like, wait, I thought you had already like given it a try. No, this second bottle is just a reminder to me that I need to actually give it a try. So then I got a new bottle of the Thieves hand soap, which I'm obsessed with and happy to have this on a backup. I have the big refill and I just refilled like all of our hand soaps with the Thieves hand soap. But I'm just excited to be getting more. Oh, and then this is cool. They sent over a microfiber all-purpose towel. I'm assuming just for like cleaning and stuff. So yeah, that is it, guys. That brings us to the end of my ER unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and link the playlist down below if you wanna look at my previous ER unboxings. And don't forget, feel free to contact me if you have any questions or you want any information. If you end up joining my team, my little oily family, that would be so exciting. And yeah, I don't know, I feel like I end these so awkwardly. I'll see you guys hopefully back here soon with another new video. Bye.